This is article number SF-06. This is a pink colored MASORI front with duppa and tilla work, and it has this beautiful orange patchwork for the neckline. These are the sleeves with a sea green embroidered center motif. These two are the borders provided with the sleeve. This is the border with handwork for the shirt's front. This is the back of the shirt. This is the dupatta with one-sided border and tilla jal all over it. This is the grip shalwar with an embroidered border and tilla spread over it, and these are the embellishments we are providing with this dress.